Now this video is specially made for dog owner. As in this video, I have listed top 3 best pram for a dog in the market. Plus, I have made this list full of custom-fit dog prams after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of pram's dog. And, for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the best pram for a dog. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with dogs so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The MoniBLoom 3-wheel foldable pet stroller in pink stands out as an ideal pram for small to medium dogs, including French bulldogs. It features durable, waterproof Oxford fabric and breathable mesh with a skylight for visibility and ventilation, perfect for keeping pups cool and comfortable. The stroller holds up to 33 pounds and includes an advanced braking system for safety on inclines. When the shock-absorbing swivel front wheel and 360-degree brake-equipped rear wheels ensure smooth rides even on rough terrain. When lightweight yet sturdy, it folds down easily for travel and storage, compact enough for trunk space. When the undercarriage storage basket and cup holder add daily convenience, while the padded interior provides added comfort. When most reviews find it easy to assemble and maneuver, one notes, handled rougher terrain better than expected, and that although some customers mention front-wheel durability issues, feedback is largely positive. Overall, it's a well-rounded, travel-ready pram that offers style, comfort, and practicality for pet owners. Number 2. The ROODO Escort 3-wheel pet jogger stroller gray is an outstanding pram for French bulldogs and similar breeds, combining practicality, comfort, and performance. Weighing just 10.8 pounds, it features a tool-free detachable front wheel and shock-absorbing 6.5 inches rear wheels with brakes, perfect for uneven terrain and light jogging. The spacious cabin, 33 inches by 18.5 inches by 38 inches, offers comfort for pets up to 30 pounds, with breathable mesh providing great visibility and airflow. A standout feature is its compact foldability. Collapsing to 18.5 inches by 6.5 inches by 33 inches, it fits easily into car trunks or overhead storage. Durability is ensured by its alloy steel frame and waterproof Oxford cover, making it travel-ready and easy to clean. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,500 users and highlighted in top 5 stroller lists, owners praise its smooth ride and sturdy build. Handled rougher terrain better than expected. Ventilation, quick folding, and reliable performance make the ROODO Escort a top-runner stroller for active French bulldog parents. Number 3. The HPZ-PR Premium Heavy-Duty Stroller Black 2nd Gen is a top-tier pram ideal for French bulldogs and similar breeds, offering durability, comfort, and convenience. It supports up to 75 pounds and features a convertible compartment that extends to 35 inches, perfect for accommodating muscular, compact breeds like Frenchies. Also, the stroller's rigid aluminum frame and pump-free rubber wheels ensure smooth rides across all terrains, while the front swivel wheels enhance maneuverability. Practical design elements include a zipperless canopy for easy access, a reversible handlebar for versatile steering, and reflective accents for low-light visibility. Jonchin the liner is machine washable, and interior tether straps keep pets secure. Users praise its quick one-hand fold and hassle-free assembly, noting it's easy to maneuver even over rough terrain. Industry experts and pet owners rate it highly. Best Reviews gives it a 9, highlighting its balance of lightweight design and heavy-duty performance. In short, the HPZ-PR Premium delivers superior build quality, thoughtful features, and pet-friendly comfort, making it a primo pick for French bulldog owners seeking a reliable, everyday stroller. Thank you for watching, guys. The buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them out on the Amazon and choose them accordingly. So that it from this video, and I hope you like this video on Best Pram for Dog, and if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.